Hey, it's Keith from KG's. Really? I'm getting upstaged by the chickens. Him? The yellow one now? The white one? No? Okay. Hey, it's Keith from KG's Garage. Today's project is going to be working on this chicken coop. I know it's not a car, but it's stuff that's going around the house around here. We're going to put a remote door We're going to put a remote door right there. So it opens and closes. This is going to be the new section of the chicken coop. We're using an old shed. And they're going to have this little run. And they can go in and out when that opens up. And we put this thick chicken wire buried on the ground. We're going to dump rocks in here. So if something tries to come over here and dig under, it'll hit the rocks and it'll stop digging. I guess if it dug all the way over here, but usually what they do is they come right to the edge and they start trying to dig. And they start trying to dig right here to get in. We still have to put a trench here, and same deal there, so they don't try there. And then we got to do something underneath. We'll probably get some more of that, this thick chicken wire, and just put some all underneath the shed, all the way around. This way nothing can get underneath the shed and tunnel up. So, and then just on the top we have the sticker stuff. Nothing's gonna, I mean, this is to keep away, well, I just noticed this. This is to keep away, to keep out like big animals and stuff. And we'll have to do something here. This is used chicken wire that we had from the other chicken coop we destroyed over there. I think he wants to say hi. Hold on. Look. That's Rue. Go ahead, Rue. What's up? And then you have Fluffy over here. This is Fluffy. See? He thinks he can get me through the chain here. And there's all his kids, and then the mommy's in there somewhere. It's getting hard to tell. There's the mom over there. Anyway, that's the. So we're just gonna make a bigger chicken coop. Let me show you inside real quick. We bought a kit to do this door, and apparently it's not. I just wanted to get like whatever door. I just wanted to get whatever kind of door. They have ones that they go up and down. It looks like those are the easiest to install. But my wife didn't want to do that. She was afraid it would guillotine a chicken. So we're getting one that the door will open like that. So it'll open and then slap a chicken in there. I don't know. So here's the stuff we got. It's solar paneled. So it's solar powered. Here's the solar panel. I don't know. This is some instructions, some more instructions. I have no idea what all this stuff is. I didn't look at the instructions yet. This looks like the whole control box. And then you got some kind of RAM right here. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure you can go ahead and build this yourself. But this was just a whole kit. And I think we just have to make a door and mount this to it, and we're done. So hopefully it's not that difficult. Let me show you inside here. So, like I said, it's a shed, right? It's our old shed. We had it way over there. We replaced this shed with that metal one over there. So it's an upgrade, and we're just gonna have this little space here so you can walk in. It'd be a little storage space. We're gonna put the feet in here. We have some shingles. I'm going to re-shingle the roof. And we're going to put a screen on here, chicken wire in here. And then we have the door, and the chickens will, this will be all their inside area. They can all come in here and hang out and do whatever. And like I said, you'll see the door will be right there. And it'll open, I guess we're going to make it open out and close in. So, that's that. I'm going to look at these instructions and see what the heck we got to do. It says 12-volt battery. Is there a battery here? I would think it would need a battery. You know, usually have this stuff, yeah. No, not a battery. I don't know. This doesn't feel like it has a battery in it either. Oh, I bet you there's a plate. Yep. So it looks like we have to buy a battery. So we have the control box, RAM, solar panel, but you can't just have solar panel run this thing. Otherwise, it's not, you know, won't work at night. So we need to get. Looks like we need to get a battery. Put a battery in there. So the solar panel will charge the battery. It runs off the battery. That's usually how everything works, right? I mean, like I have the camera on that shed there. There's a battery in the shed. There's a little solar panel on top. Same deal. Same as everything. So let me read through instructions, see what I got to do and build, and I'll come back when there's a little bit of progress. All right, I'm back here working on the chicken coop door. I pretty much have it all mocked up here. I just want to show you what I did. The directions tell you to use these bolts and nuts for the doors. So what I initially did was I just screwed them in with regular deck screws into here just to get the door set up, and I got it where the door was opening and closing okay. And then I drilled through the door, you can see. All right, so what I had to do was move the door over so it was flush with this. I had it before. I had the door, this door part was leaning against here, and this other piece was over like right about here, and it wouldn't open because it was these screws were going into this wood, which couldn't happen. So now I have this, move that piece over, and I was able to do it this way. So I put these, I don't know what size these are. These are 3-inch bolts. They come all the way through. They tell you to put a 2x4 on the door so it will have strength, right? And this is where the hinge goes, or the ram. As you can see, the ram is right there. It's bolted to, goes into the 2x4. And I can't do these screws here with switch. I can't switch these out with the bolts and nuts because I don't have long enough. They give you 3-inch bolts. It's not long enough because that's go through here. This piece of 3 1/4, another 3 1/4, whatever this plywood is, and then this. You know, shoot, and that's gonna go through this. Which holds up this. There's a shelf. So I'll see what the heck that happens here. Down here shouldn't be a problem. I just need a longer bolt so it goes through all this wood. Once I get a bolt that goes through all the wood, I will put them here. They say put 3 across the top, 3 across the bottom. So I'll do that. I'll put them here. And that will be support. And I just rigged it up. The instructions tell you do everything, put the control box and all that stuff up. And then put this bracket on. So what I did was, let me show you, I just hooked up a car battery. And it has a limit switch in it, and it'll stop. So I put the door all the way closed. Put this bracket on where I thought it should be, leveled it, drilled this hole, put this one in, took the pin out here so I could drill the other hole. Then I mounted this, left it loose. So, because what you want it to do is when it's fully extended, you want the door to be shut. So this is fully extended and the door is shut. There's something wrong with the wood. You can see, I can stick my finger in there. I can't get it to shut all the way. I don't know if it's, let's see, if I pull this pin out, pull this out, Close more? No, so you won't even close. Yeah, it doesn't even close. So it's hitting down here first. But anyway, that's how you do it. You extend this ram all the way out, figure out where this thing goes, and then these bolts, and then you have your controls. Right now, like I said, it's hooked up to a battery. I'll do another video here when I get the whole control box and get it working with the UV. We need to buy a battery still. So, okay, here we go. Here's the setup. I need to still fix these wires because they're really, really long. I don't know if I'm just gonna tie them up or what have you, but anyway, so you got the solar panel here, mounted it. I had to put a piece of wood up there against the shed to mount that one, and then on the other side I just mounted it right to there. Right, you see it, solar panel. And so that's this wire, comes in, plugs into here where it says power. You have a doorbell to this hooked up over here for a cycle, so when you press it, open and closes. And then you have your other wire, this one here goes to the motor. And there you go. And I found a battery. This is a battery backup battery. I had a spare one, so I looked at the instructions and it said use a 12 volt 7 amp. So there you go. So now you hit the button. There's a button here. There you go, it opens up. It's not the quickest thing I've ever seen. So every morning it will go like that and it'll stay open. And then at night it closes. There's settings on here. I haven't messed with it yet. There's a photo cell right here. This, you know, to see if it's light out. You have on-off switch right here. So if you just want to turn it off, you turn these dials here. Delay close, delay open. I think that's how you I think that's how you program it to when to open when the sun comes out. I don't know. And then you got the cover. Oh look, there's all this stuff on here. It tells you. Yeah, it says right here, dip switch settings for options on control board. Oh, there's dips in here. These two dips switches. Alarm on and off. Auto sensor. Oh, if it alarms, watch this. I hit the button, and if I stop it, it doesn't alarm. So assume if I hit this switch here, alarm off. Let's see, it probably won't do it now. Opening, hit the button. Oh, it still alarms. So I don't know what that does. I'll switch it back. Anyway, that's it. That's pretty much the install. Now you have to set it up. It has a little hole there. You can put a lock, or I'll probably just put a zip tie there so it just doesn't open up for who knows what. Anyway, that's it. Yeah, it's fairly simple install. It just takes a little work on figuring out where to put stuff and all that. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and see you in the next video.
Like and subscribe for a cookie, and subscribe for good luck for the rest of your life.
Wow. Well, you want to see something else cool? Ready? Watch this. Let's show them the gate. So look, we put a door on here. Look at this. All right, see you later. Try to get out. Can you get out? No. So we put a door in there. There's no way to get out.
How does this open again?
There's a doorbell up there. Trapped him in there. How are you gonna get out? What are you gonna do? Oh my gosh. Oh wow, there you are. It's a secret. Here you go.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm done.